Finally, I received my Gucci parcel, and yes, new baby is at home. And this is a Ophidia small handbag. Let's see what we have got. Oh, it's a thank you card. And also, we can get a small Gucci tote bag. It's a very cute and so lovely. Just look at the color. It's so lovely. Very, very excited to have a look what we got in there. We ready? Ta-da! Wow. I love it. And the hardware are really nice. All these coordinations. Here we have one crossbody belt, and another is we can just carry it like this in your shoulder, like a shoulder bag. Ta-da! Can't wait to carry this and style this. I love it. So excited.